Alright guys, I know it's been forever, but welcome to a brand new vlog. We actually have a new mod for the ST. Shout out to Project M for sending this out. We are going to install it on the ST. That way you guys can get a vision for it, in case you guys want to install it at your STs, which, you know, it's Project M. I recommend you guys do. So, let's go to the ST right now so we can get going. Alright guys, and what? This isn't the ST. What the? I'm just playing with you guys. So today actually, after months of not driving the ST, I took it out, washed it, so we actually parked it in the street, and I just substitute my daily drive in here. That way, well, it's hot outside, you know, I don't want it to fade. Good paint job. So let's go out to the ST now. Here's the Touride, looking sexy as ever. That's not the car we're taking today. Here's the sexy beast. And we are actually going to Robert's new shop for this install. So I'll pick up the camera once I'm there. Ooh, it's very hot in here, so yeah, I'm gonna get going. I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, welcome back. We are now at Robert's brand new shop. As you can see, we got the ST in the shop and it looks amazing. And congrats to Rob and his family. They built the shop on their property, so you already know we're gonna spend lots of time here with the future cars to come. And ST as well, the Touareg, not the daily. The daily gets no love. It's daily for a reason. But with the future cars to come, you know, blah, blah, blah. As of right now, I did plan on getting a new vehicle, and I'm not gonna get a new vehicle till the vehicle gets sold, because right now I did move out of my parents' house, so pat on the shoulder, congrats to me. Moving out of your parents' house is hard, and I wouldn't say hard, it's a big step into adulthood, so I'm glad I took that step. It was always me like trying to save up, but then like it came to the point where I just didn't feel like comfortable at home. I just needed my own space, and it felt like the right time, so I left. And my dad, they don't want me to leave, but hey, you know, we get older, we grow, and I am 27 years old, guys. I know I'm a grandpa, but it was time to go. Guys, for the ST, we do need to do a couple things to make it look perfect again. There's a couple flaws that I know of that, yeah, I want to fix, but we'll do that later on. But right now, she looks clean. Ooh, looks good. That's stock catback, that's crazy. Alright guys, are you ready for the hardest stock ST wing in the game? Shout out to Project M for this new duckbill style wing extension. Hardest wing in the game, right? Shout out to Maxon Design for sending us out. As you guys can see, we got the Maxon Design lip, and this is what we're gonna do. This goes right under. So we're gonna do like a double wing setup. And honestly, I didn't plan on doing it. I just kind of mocked it up right now and thought it would be cool. So we're gonna make it work. And hopefully, kind of you guys can do the same thing. This looks pretty hard.
It actually does look good. I like the fact that obviously it's different companies.
Yeah.
I like how it like that kind of like. It's really hard. I personally run the whole.
You guys know how we do it. We got the Maxon Design lip with the Project M splitter, so we're gonna do the same thing for the rear. Let's go hard or go home, boys. Right now we're gonna put 3M tape on the wing. I'd say we do like 2 strips right here. 1, 1, 2. And that way, this middle part is actually gonna touch the third brake light. So that's how we know it's gonna be perfectly in. It's just all gonna be like how much more to the left or the right it's gonna have to be. And excuse the sweat, it's like 100 degrees out here. It's hot.
And the music in the background.
Mr. Wills, you wanna cut some 3M for us?
They got the good music in the back.
Yeah, you guys can hear that? We're about to go to the Garden at Solid right now. We're gonna take Robert.
So you wanna like this?
Probably. Good matters.
So the side doesn't matter, huh?
I think so.
Okay. So right here?
More to the left.
More to the left, so over here?
Right there, right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Like this straight, like this?
Yeah.
And we went like stop right there?
Yeah, like right there. Cool.
Okay. And so you want me to cut it right here?
Mm-hmm.
Like that? Okay. And then you want to go all the way across, right?
Right here, do you think so?
Oh no,
Nah.
because it doesn't. Yeah, okay.
I think that'll work.
Okay, so then over here,
You hear them screaming? Cut the top again.
you're gonna have to what?
This.
Cut it?
Cut it to like right here.
Oh, because you can see it.
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh yeah, you can have to see it.
Alright, so probably don't have to use that much.
Okay, so then we'll cut it where this.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a couple more still. Yeah, a couple more. Which is fine. Should I get a razor blade? Should I just get a razor blade? Or you want to? Damn! Bottom. There. Perfect. It went back itself. I love that. Alright, that's great. Yep, it went back itself. That's
You should go show me your singing skills, bro.
right.
Muy caliente.
Perfect.
So that's the real tip? I think so.
I think so.
But all the wind's gonna not be going in the tube down. I don't know how everything else works.
Pretty good, guys. Now
You guys see how freaking sweaty I am?
Oh, fuck. That's how hot it is.
You guys know Rob in person? He's got the stinkiest.
Shut up.
And this dude doesn't tell you either. He just lets it loose. He's got a loose butthole too.
They're out there in the sun.
Horses.
Ain't no way.
It's like, where the hell are these horses even riding, bro?
Bro, because it's dry heat out here. There's no water nearby, so it's like.
Shout out to Chris. He's got a pool. We're about to go hit that after. I don't know about Rob. He doesn't like swimming. You know how that goes.
No, I just don't.
Car's gonna sit in here for a while, so it should stick on there by the time I drive it. Hopefully it doesn't fly out.
Imagine.
And now we gotta... You wanna get behind me and tell me first one more rusty, right?
It's kind of hard to tell, but it looks like you're good.
What's going on? What's going on?
You can tell that they,
Yeah, that's sick. Matches. Oh, it's on there.
yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh yeah, she's on there, boys. Pretty easy install. Shout out to Project M. You guys know we like to do things a little bit different, and I think this combo right here is lethal. And I even told him I was gonna do that right now because I was gonna take this off first, but I'm just like, wait, hold up a second.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I think this looks kind of sick.
I don't think I can do it because I have a strong presence.
Who cares? Oh yeah. It's like a subtle thing, but it looks hard. All right, guys, and it does cover a bit of the brake light on top, but Robert, put on the brakes. As you guys can see, it's fine. You can obviously still see the very bright third brake light and the brake lights. So we already have the Maxim design like duckbill lit. Now we got the Project M right under it, and I don't know why this looks hard. Like, just look at it. It's a subtle thing, but it looks really good. Like, it all depends on how you look at it. Oh yeah, I think it was a good choice to do this. That is the Project M wind extension pairing up with the Maxim design wind extension, and honestly, I think it looks mean. We'll definitely see it in the sunlight, but for now, it is way too hot to even go out there.
It is freaking hot. You can probably see me sweating right now.
And yeah, it's subtle, but I think it looks really good. Yeah, we're definitely gonna run that. If I don't like it, we can always take my the Maxim design one off. But I think this looks really good, so I'm kind of hyped for this. So Project Bring the ST Back to Life.